How to fix the issue of microphone in Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Settings application in your device. So simply use shortcut key Window plus I to open Settings application. Once in Setting, from the left hand side menu, simply go to System. After that, you will see the option of Troubleshoot. Simply scroll down and click on Troubleshoot option. Once in Troubleshoot setting, you will see other Troubleshoot option. Simply click on it. After that, you will see a lot of options. From there, you simply need to choose Audio and click on the Run beside it. Once you have run the Troubleshoot for audio, you also need to run Troubleshoot for Bluetooth, as sometimes the device that is connected to your laptop or PC might not work, and that is why you might be facing problem with your microphone. After you have run the troubleshoot of both the device, restart your device and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.